Hello learners! It's great to see you again. In this video, we will find out about how we get day and night on Earth.
Let's find out.
For this experiment, you will need a torch, a foam ball, a stick, and a sticker. To set up, paste the sticker on the foam ball. Then, pierce the ball with the stick. With that, we have created our model. In this experiment, the torch represents the sun and the foam represents the earth. What do you think the sticker represents?
I know. The sticker represents where we are on Earth.
That's right. We are now ready for our experiment. Shine the torch at the side of the foam ball with the sticker. Pause and observe. Is the side with the sticker bright or dark? Does this side of Earth experience day or night?
The side with the sticker is bright. This also means that the side is experiencing daytime.
Yes! This is because the light from the sun can reach this side of Earth. Next, spin the stick slowly until the sticker faces the other side. Pause and observe. Is the side with the sticker bright or dark this time? Does this side of Earth experience day or night?
Now, the side with the sticker is dark. This means that this side of Earth is experiencing nighttime.
That's right. This is because light from the sun cannot reach this side of Earth. Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.